Hello, good day. For today's lesson is about how to find inverse of one-to-one function. When we say inverse of one-to-one function, let f be one of a one-to-one function with domain A and range B. Then the inverse of f, denoted by f raised to the powers of negative 1, is a function with domain B and range A, defined by f raised to the power of negative 1 quantity y equals to x. If and only if f of x equals to y for any y in B. A function has an inverse if and only if it is a one-to-one function. Okay, we have here the steps on how to find the inverse of one-to-one function. First, we have to write the function in the form y, which is equals to f of x. Then interchange the x and y variables. Then you solve for y in terms of x. Okay, to better understand this one, let us take the examples. Okay, the first example is f of x equals to 3x plus 1. So the steps here says that we have to write this one in the form of y equals to f of x. So we will just uh, change this f of x into y. So this is the first step. Y equals to 3x plus 1. Then next is interchange x and y variable. So y becomes x and your x will become y, 3y plus 1. Then we will solve y in terms of x. So this one we will transpose this one to the on the left side, or we will join this one to x. So this will become x minus 1 equals to 3y. Okay, then we will divide both sides by 3. Okay, this will be cancelled out. So the remaining is y. Then x equals to 1, minus 1 over 3. So your final answer is y is equals to x minus 1 over 3, or it can be written as its inverse as f raised to the power of negative 1 quantity x equals to x minus 1 over 3. Okay, so this is now the inverse of the given function f of x equals to 3x plus 1. Okay, number 2. The given function is g of x equals to 3 cubed minus 2. Okay, the same procedure. We will write that function into y. No, y, g of x will become y. Then copy 3x cubed minus 2. Then after, interchange x and y variable. So this is x, then this is y cubed, then minus 2. So we'll transpose this one to the other side. So this will become x plus 2 equals to y cubed, or simply y cubed equals to x plus 2. Okay, to eliminate this exponent 3 or y cubed, we will find its cube root. The cube root also here, then this will be cancelled out. So the remaining is y equals to the cube root of x plus 2. So your final answer there, or the inverse function of the given function, is this one, equals to the cube root of x plus 2. So this is your answer of that given function, or this is the inverse function of the given function, g of x equals to x cubed minus 2. Okay, number 3. Okay, same procedure. You have to transform that one, or change f of x to y. Then copy the given 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 4. Then next is you interchange x and y variables. So your y becomes your x. Then this one 2y plus 1 all over 3y minus 4. Then after that, cross multiply. So this will become x times 3y minus 4 equals to 2y plus 1. Then simplify. So x, you multiply this one with the term inside. So x times 3y, that is 3xy minus, or minus 4x equals to 2y plus 1. Then after that, you will find next step is to simplify this one again, no? Okay, find the common. The common here is no, not yet. You have to transpose y to the left side, and okay, only y. So we transpose y and x to the left side. So this will become 3x y, and this 2y will become negative 2y, and this one will become positive 4x plus 1. Okay, next is we will find what is the common of this one. So for that, we have y is the common. Then 3xy divided by y, that is 3x. Then here 2y divided by y, that is negative 2, equals to 4x plus 1. Then to eliminate this one, you have to divide it by 3x minus 2, both sides 3x minus 2. So cancel this one. So the remaining is y is equals to 4x plus 1 over 3x minus 2. So our final answer for this given example is negative 1x equals to 4x plus 1 all over 3x minus 2. So this is now the inverse of the given example. F of x equals to 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 4. Okay, next number. The next example is f of x equals to 2x plus 7. So the same procedure. you just change f of x to y. So this one, then 2x copy plus 7. Then interchange y and x and y variables. So this will become x, and this one 2y plus 7. Okay, then after that we will transpose this one here. This will become 6x minus 7 equals to 2y, or we can simply write that one as 2y equals to x minus 7. So ato na siyang gi-interchange. So after that we will divide both sides by 2. Okay, this will be cancelled out. The remaining is y. So y is equals to minus 7 over 2. So our inverse function of the given function is okay, this one. Okay, that is now the inverse function of the given f of x equals to 2x plus 7. Okay, next. Okay, the next given is f of x equals to x minus 2 over 3x plus 1. Okay, the same procedure. We will change f of x to x. So this will become y. Then copy the given 2 over 3x plus 5. Then after that one, interchange x and y variable. So y becomes x, then x becomes y minus 2 all over 3y plus 5. Then after that, cross multiply. So this become x 3y plus 5 equals to y minus 2. So simplify. This is 3xy plus 5x equals to y minus 2. Then we will transpose this one to the left side and this one to the other side. So this will become 3xy minus y equals to negative 5x minus 2. Then after that, we will find the common here. The common factor there is y. So 3xy divided by y, the result is 3x. Then 4y divided by y, that is negative 1 equals to negative 5x minus 2 all over, no, we have to divided by both sides by 3x minus 1 to eliminate this one. Okay, 3x minus 1. So this will be cancelled out. The remaining is y. So y is equals to negative 5x minus 2 all over 3x minus 1. So our inverse function now is negative 5x minus 2 over 3x minus 1. So this is now our inverse function of the given f of x equals to x minus 2 over 3x plus 5. Okay, next example is f of x equals to x squared plus 4x minus 2. So as you notice that from the given example, our highest exponent for this example is 2, which means that this is not a one-to-one function, because a one-to-one function is only having a greatest exponent, which is an odd number. When it is even number or an absolute value, then that function has no inverse function. Okay, so since this is a quadratic function with a graph in the shape of parabola that opens upward, it is not a one-to-one function as it fills the horizontal line. Okay, so as you can see, this is the graph of that function. So it is a U shape or a parabola. So when we plot our horizontal line, there are two intersection point, diba? This point and that point, which means that in this y value has a corresponding two values of x, which means that that function is not a one-to-one function. When it is not a one-to-one function, meaning there is no inverse for that. No, that function has no inverse function. Okay, next. F of x equals to 3x or absolute 3 of x. So in this case, let us recall the graph, of f of x equals to the absolute value of 3x. The shift there is b, whose vertex is located at the origin. This function also fills the horizontal line test. So if you look at the graph of that function, it will be look like this one. When you plot your horizontal line, the same, we have 2 points where our horizontal line intersect with the graph. Okay, so as you can see, we have two value of x, then one value of y. So in that case, this function is not a one-to-one function. As I said, when it is not a one-to-one function, then there is no inverse function of that given function. So these are the basic concepts need to be remembered in order for us to find the inverse of the function. And that's all for today. Hope you've learned something in this video. And once again, good day, keep safe, and God bless.